Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you won't lose important data. Pause, sync, and backup bookmarks or passwords if you need them. Open Chrome and click the avatar in the top right or type Chrome //settings/people to jump straight to profiles. This saves time. Look at each profile's name, avatar, and email so you don't delete the wrong one. Once you've identified the target profile, make sure its windows are closed. Chrome blocks removal if the profile is active. Now remove the profile. Select the profile from the avatar menu and choose Manage People or Profile Settings to reveal the list. Click the three-dot menu next to the profile and pick Remove or Delete. Chrome will show a confirmation that explains local data deletion. Confirm only after you've saved anything needed. If the profile is signed into a Google account, sign out first so sync stops, and the profile's cloud link doesn't complicate local data removal. Finish by restarting Chrome and checking that the deleted profile no longer appears and other profiles open correctly. If Chrome left behind a folder, you can remove it manually from the user data directory, only after confirming backups and quitting Chrome. Make sure extensions and sign-ins on remaining profiles still work. If something goes wrong, re-add the account or restore bookmarks/passwords from the backup you made. This is the fastest fix for accidental data loss and gets you back to a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.